This video will show you how to get started using the PocketLab Chromebook app. After you've downloaded the app from the Chrome Web Store, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Click on the Wi-Fi icon and then go to the Bluetooth setting and click Enable Bluetooth. Now go to the Application Search button and launch the PocketLab app. If you have previously connected to a PocketLab sensor, you will see a list of devices. If this is the first time you are connecting a PocketLab sensor to the Chromebook, the name of the PocketLab sensor will appear when you press the top button. Click on the name of the sensor to connect to the device. The PocketLab sensor will flash intermittently red and green when it's trying to connect, and then when it begins a connection, it will flash red 5 times, and then flash green intermittently when transmitting data. After you've connected the PocketLab sensor and app, you'll see a list of the available sensor graphs. Click on an option, such as acceleration, to visualize data coming from the PocketLab sensor. The three-dimensional components of acceleration in X, Y, and Z correspond to different colors that correspond with the axis alignment on the front of the case. You can full screen the app or interact with it in a small size window, but just make sure that none of the app data is being cut off by the window size. If you rotate the device with respect to Earth's gravitational field, you can see the output of the accelerometer change. To start a recording and save data, press the record button. The screen will clear of previously displayed data, and you will start a new experimental data measurement recording. Perform your experiment, and then when you're done, press the stop button. After you stop, you will be able to see the total time history of your recorded data. You can hover the mouse button over a specific data point to see that data value displayed below the graph. You can also zoom in on the recorded data in the X direction or the Y direction, and then double-click the screen to zoom back out. If you want to save and export this data, press the Save to Drive button. A folder in your Google Drive account named PocketLab will be automatically created, and the recorded data will be saved under the name of the sensor. After you're done, clear your data to begin a new measurement. You can then go back and view the other sensors. There are two settings that you can change for each sensor: the units and the data rate. Click on the Settings button to select the appropriate units that you want. So for acceleration, you can choose G for gravity or meters per second squared, and then the data rate in slow, medium, and fast. The slow data rate is 1 sample per second. The medium data rate is 10 samples per second, and this is the default. And the high data rate is up to 20 samples per second, but depends on the particular sensor. When you are done using the PocketLab sensor, click the back button until you reach the initial connection screen with a list of the sensors, and then press the top button on the PocketLab sensor to turn the sensor off and drop the Bluetooth pairing. After that, you can close the app and put away the sensor.